Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking the staggering 800-year dream of Andalusia and its tragic collapse.
So how does a civilization this advanced, wealthy, and powerful just vanish from the inside out?
Look at this rapid timeline. Under Tariq bin Ziyad, they literally reached just 120 kilometers from Paris.
But Córdoba wasn't just a military powerhouse. A mind-blowing 28 separate universities thrived in that single city.
Intellectual wealth peaked in Caliph Hisham's library. Get this, it housed a massive 400,000 handwritten manuscripts.
They actually brought paper mills, sugar, and oranges to Europe. Plus, botany encyclopedias used for centuries.
Their intellectual dominance was everywhere, from Ibn Rushd's philosophy all the way to Fernas's early flight attempts. Yet, inside the breathtaking Alhambra Palace, this carved quote constantly reminded them of their mortal limits.
So you might wonder, did outside enemies destroy this utopia? Surprisingly, the historical answer is no.
The real culprit was this absolute disease, asabiyet. Internal division and toxic sectarianism completely eroded their society. Fellow Muslims actually allied with opposing Spanish counts to defeat each other, completely tearing the empire apart. This blind infighting left them totally defenseless, triggering the Inquisition, secret worship, and finally, exile.
This tragic collapse offers us a profound theological lesson, contrasting mere physical beauty with divine beauty.
The word gazelle means visually pleasing, and Andalusian architecture was undoubtedly gazelle. It heavily satisfied the eye. But El Husna goes way deeper. It describes a beauty that is fundamentally good, unified, and beneficial.
The Andalusian tragedy proves that aesthetic beauty and knowledge, without internal goodness and unity, just cannot survive. So, here's a final thought. Are you cultivating true goodness or letting internal divisions destroy your foundation?